say one them today. Sunday. Yeah, fatherland. Our father. Uh, really? I see. Damn man. Demon Slayer, why? Free Fire that come with Demon Slayer. Everything them say Fortnite do them. The game now getting better. Cause boy me again. Boy now. Me I get tired of that game again. Okay. I get my money. But damn, I'm not playing a custom. No custom for you know. Yeah, that one on the play. Yeah, that one on the custom. Not that I feel for it. Actually like an influencer. That probably that angel. Man. The time I delete that one, not enough for the one. Like the better running and that. They don't know what the fuck we get DM on them pets today. Then like me give it a shot. Yeah, we are tear them shit bug on them. Watch out. Run that nigga. Yo, you see when I do that? If I were him ass, but I'm say nobody like over Cape Town. The people can learn, people can learn over Cape Town. People can learn over Cape Town. Make sure everybody ready. They have a ridiculous. Man, they up top with her anything. Urban loaded before me get ready. Sound everything loaded before me get ready. But you not start shoot it down at the man chat or something. Manakon. Yo, where they kill the man, no kill. On the better chair, you know, be a man. No, sir. Very family quick. Buy my back. Stand up at it. That man stand up at it. Say man buy my back cheap, bad man. See all them things, dead man, cheap, but go land for no man. That's good, man. Stop. People buy back there, them people. Give them here buy what there. Lower or sometimes they buy what there. If they buy back there, but now buy what there. and them a play, so. I'm just ask to chat. The man them a play ass, but man, especially J. Tired for someone to play, I don't know why the fuck me keep on it. I did it, man, I kick him one time. Did it to him already. To my request for jam, I'm going to get him, I don't know why the fuck me upset. Yo, broken, no, yeah, I said that. I didn't even buy him, but be a cheap bomber, be a cheap bomber. Man cheap, you know, shit. Man cheap, the man cheap, the man cheap. Third eye with a cheap revive me. Man revive them cheap bad man. No joke. Be a bomber cheap prefer. Fast me and far back in the FF community because did stop play. But yeah, far back now. Sean up. Sean, you bad you know, you know what I come talk. And you're on bad from day one. You're living bomber back. Don't speak to me nigga. This man I come down to this thing. And I fall back to the FF community. Advice of a fall back, I need some support there, I need some viewers. So you can fall back still. Where did I play? No. What more was it on? That man did again, cause yeah. That man did again, cause my phone did 2 hours. Somebody stopped. Let me get a new phone. I get a new phone. And go over this go there. Yeah, make sure I'm gonna revive Jay. Yeah, make sure I'm gonna revive him 2 hours. Make sure I'm gonna revive about Jay that. Swear I'm gonna revive him. Be a waste me and waste ice. The across is this in a dog. What the fuck me for river? Yeah. Cross is this like. There dog, cross is. Nobody want to ever look about there, you know. I'm lost. Cross is. What's ya? No, dog. No, no, bro. That guy is worthless as fuck. Watch out, watch out. You see the man load on the man, he can more than kill the man. Him not low, he can kill, watch out, kill the man.
Double kill.
Up void, dog, up void, bro. Tell it, Jay worthless, worthless. Watch out. And now zone and switch gun. One more. We not take that. But there's a man last squat man for a man jag the man. No, some man has that shame. But if jag the man, they are scope, man. What that I do? I do I get late stand. Watch out. I want to kill him. I want to kill that idiot about them.
Triple
This man a
kill.
lag dog. I didn't know him don't know about ice. He don't know about ice. So me talk about with them ass nigga. So me talk about on them ass. So one device right now. Finally, me make sure I not go play with no idiot back in me make sure I kick J. Cause my pint, my cheese style clean. My cheese style clean, look there. My cheese style glue and shit dog. Nobody comes up my cheese style. So I cannot play a watch stream. For the night group, why? I not play the rank good though. I give somebody my dynamic though. I dissolve my dynamic. I dissolve my dynamic though. I need that new that. Dynamic, I don't even play that much. I don't even play. Who this? Who that? I don't even know if I'm on the plan. Who that man be? But I don't want to play in a rank with them. Can play a company. Go back, I just valid my points. By 2 hours. KOs. You have room? PN2 car. You have room, guys? You have room. Damn, I just wait till my tower get charged. I'll do some kit, more some. I don't make that much customer. She start to clean up with them. She start to clean. Yeah, tell me that she start to clean it up. That means I tell her. Implementing. Yo, why Nick then? Nick did normally Nick. But I take Nick play custom dog. But don't take Nick play custom. Go over the 2v2 chaos after this. Who win 2 more man China them shit there. That's gonna look good. Yeah, so I'm gonna provide the answer. But this man is screaming. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Nigga, before I take off that shit. Oh. Better than I'm gonna get my kill. Yeah, CSR and DR as a customer. I know my oh, I don't have a couple customers. I time for charge, I must get come. Yes, I'm not paying them in that. They pay a lot for it. I don't have to for it. For the better enter the entertainment. I'm not paying them for it. Freestyle, man, 17 style of glory.
First blood.
Bro, I swear man that bro. Uncle Billy just killed my dog.
Double kill.
But like you look how my G-style look cool. Let's go lose one match. Everything we find something. I lose even one match there. You can see why G-style say oh I come play with man. My G-style too precious. That man try to tell her man. And this nigga shooting me down. Kill him. Don't even then.
First
This
blood.
thing, fuck you. Why the fuck you doing that? Fuck off, bitch, you ass shit. Why the man head tough? Password 1000. Yeah, ask for gun. But I know up my fear that I don't know why the man you should ask. Yeah,
First blood.
stop do
Double
that.
kill.
Man, I spray me down, dog. See the back there, when the man a straight come out, no shot now touch me. Man, I was like, I'm a tired the achievement. Man, I play no gun for that, man. Man, come like that living AI. Man, I spray me down and no, look come like no shot never had that touch me. New blue ball. Welcome to Nippy Society, bro. Just like our show tonight. Fuck me, yes, on my name, blue
First
ball.
blood.
A box J box is the time. I can't spam this man, spam me, dog. Yeah, the bomba, what there. Bill man ass. Bill man, Bill. I play that with J, that one. You ask my man, boy, you crack. Nothing. Go that team code there, man. Jet did there. Man, what Jet did there. Johnny team code. Join the team code. Join the team code. Man, I bitches. KYT. Up. My name. And I in there. So by a Prince. Ronnie. How this? It full. I don't know them, man. What's up here, show? What, guys? No. No, Ronnie. I can't Ronnie add the man. No, no, Prince. Oh, your name Prince. Blue balls. I can't use that, I don't know. Why am I invite them on that to girl, kick. See team for that. See team for that. Yeah, my don't even trust Johnny with something. With my rank too, you know that. My don't trust Johnny with my rank. If Ronnie tried up my boxing. Alright, you wow, father. Your girl open. God, my aim. Yeah, Ronnie, Ronnie makes sense anyway. Mom, Ford, Nick. I can't afford Nick. Next month, yeah. But I trust Ronnie the much, I trust Ronnie. Ronnie, I get good CMC, Ronnie, I get good. Ronnie, I'm too much in the booth. Ronnie, CMC. The booth, Ronnie, CMC, Ronnie, what's up, Ronnie?
Battle Royale. Done.
3-star model, you know. So my rank pretty. Barnes Mitchell, we are going to better know that. I never chased the elite Eric, I don't know. Elite. A 1v1 off stream, so no one see a lose nigga. I 1v1 a punch him right now. The church was fuck. The church nigga. If I any other time, if I play, I'm gonna make it. But no, I mean make the stream video because I use the other thing to make the stream delay 2 seconds. It kick people off of the stream and one more shit. Make the stream all load down the camera. Rather delay that, you know. Rather stream delay. So man, talk about Ronnie dead already. Man dead. Which part of man them we have? Kill the man. Pick me up. Yeah, they should never did ever going on. Must ever ever them. Swear my dead. I love my dead anyway. The boy I don't know. I don't know. I can't believe I hear that look. I'm not about the silent task here. Anybody do that? Ronnie Bomba, no. Everybody please got Ronnie Church. I don't already suspect Ronnie that was. Yeah, bad. It's so bad. So bad. Granny can't go on, but I need to get better. I need to get better. Don't can work out something inside. Work out something. So if we go way up on one part, we'll go way up on one part to get the way car. It's all. Baby, I've been dancing in the dark with you beneath my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. A sad summer girl, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I've been dancing in the dark with you beneath my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. Stop singing, I'm something that I got a voice of an angel. What are you talking about? You look perfect tonight. No skyline. Is that empty? That's not what that. This is up. Where I'm 60 after a ball. Oh, stop it, you're making me ball, bro. Stop it. You look perfect tonight, baby. I've been dancing in the dark with you. What's up, with you beneath my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. You look perfect tonight, baby. I've been dancing with my stars, with you beneath my eyes, barefoot on the grass, listening to my girl ding dong. She like gog. She like make ball. I know gog. She like when it reach down in her. She like gog. Be running running put I want to find. It's an effort sing. Baby, I've been fucking in the dark with you beneath my tongue. Barefoot on, see you soon. He said, see you soon, Kaka. Somebody are coming out and car or something. Man, them target the banana run come up like greatness. I tell you about Rani now, he might have to go dead. No. Gotta go, 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 go. I think so I get third party. But then we can't reach her earth. We not a serious ambush.
Help me! Help me!
Yeah, so I get third party at one point. So I need help, you know. Get third party at one point there. I need help, yo. Oh, no bother, no. Okay.
Double kill.
Resources here.
Bro, we got the real chat up the church.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Triple kill.
Yeah. But it's like, yeah, revive you. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. It does seem like I'm a nice one. I said, the man life got on the far side like one. No, sir. You know, I swear the man fling that bomb. He never that show no sign, you know. He never that show no sign. Say the bomb will come on when the bomb reach on my foot. That show say the bomb dead. No, dog. Again, I'm fooling ish. I swear, something they fling the bomb. No, bad man. I could have gone in on my Saturday. If I did ever know, I could have gone in the way call there. Should I go in on Orion, dog? But never know. I think he never had a show the signs and nobody fling no bomb. The bomb reach on my foot, it a show. No, bad man. And then the man just stand up and take shot, you know. Prince stand up and take shot. New team. New team. Prince stand up and take shot now. No, dog. The whole team running, new team. One stand up a deck box shot and thing. What's that? So why Nick say more than Nick with the man named Jine? But I have to play a new team now. Nick there for online when Nick there. Nick in our match. But the Ranny Arsenal, Ranny just dead, no, I don't know. Hold on that my phone there 3 LOL. I play a bunch of the bomb not make no. Yeah, tell you about the bomb not show the effect. The bomb not show the effect, dog. When the bomb reach my foot, the last time I run up to the bomb. See them, I'm swear I'm a teenage choice. Okay, I ain't reach now. I'm gonna see the effect man say a bomb dead. Right for the bomb we're going. Right for the bomb, and I was dead. You done for the nigga house. Not my fault, boy. Right for the bomb, I go. I mean, right, I go right for the top of the bomb. Right. And that man them was a fact when him see him get a kill. I must say bring the bomb and you know him not think it that catch him man, but he catch me run up there. Unbelievable. Nature and
Battle Royale. Battle inside.
see a joke, but the man I say him not expect the bomb to catch him money. I mean, did have but no one. But him never expect it to catch him, just fling it. You know people fling my man. But like when they hit that box up now. I am fling man expect if he kill her. But if him does see her the eye over the wall, him not expect him, I expect to see her either move or something. The expect I take off a little bit of damage, you know. Just full knock so. Come run go pan the bomb. First me see this, I'm gonna reload and I get back shit and one mag or something. I'm better run, you know. I'm trying. Let me attack with Danny, run. Yeah, which idiot come and give Are you, bro, your ass, you know, don't come to me, boy. What them boy give free kick, yeah. Where you go, broken, go away. This man, I only, yeah, they, Ranny gone, Ranny absent. A lie, man, Ranny dead. This because he's a bat, Ranny and kill him, man. But it's Ranny kill him. How would this man a fight? Man not fight nobody, man just run up on me.
Yo, she come carry my face, dog.
Him dead, you know? See that man there next to him, I eat that. I'm not see him, not see him. He just see me, not see him.
Double kill.
One day if I'm not kind, I want to watch Ranny, dog, because I think Granny I got there. But they even want to watch Ranny.
Fuck the face, dog.
Mission accepted.
Man never expect a bomb to catch you. Who was panting him, sir? Stop that up on Free Fire.
Need equipment. Need equipment.
Stop that up on.
Good job. Help me. Help me.
What's the bridge? We're gonna have to Then I'll get it by a gift card. Well, there's a reason why they make gift cards. If you're rich, you can buy a gift card. Go back from the excuse until he say, nah, make your gift card there. If you're just supposed to know, supposed to live in a community which by themselves, live uptown which by themselves, and if you're rich, you live uptown and know which by themselves. Then, and if you're rich, you live a Moby and know which by themselves. If you did have sense, you could have know which by themselves or half a tree. You come tell me now. Hello, nothing. Just fuck. The doors. Yeah. Girl. Not there. Yeah, that one.
Head there.
People are all more vital. I'm man in a marine, man. Two man outside there. You know what I mean?
Need equipment.
Yeah, go for your car, go for your car, go for your car. Go for your car for me. Drive, 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 no man. Man, slow you. Drive, no man, drive, no man. Drive fast, 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 fast. Yo, go down here, some man, down here, some man, down here, some man, down here, some. Them can't actually see you now, for listen. Boy.
Help me!
Yo, I'm dead. What am I there? Yo. Kill the man up inside the
Triple kill.
Help me!
Killing spree.
the man here, one man over there. Just fire, just fire. Him can't revive. Make sure I saw the revive, you know. Okay. I'm right now the whole shit, man. Yeah, kidding, man. Now, for the man, I'm going to get you.
Help me!
What the fuck, man? What's on this? No, dog. No, bro. The man of M8 now. Two shot kill me. No, the M10. Was great together. I would have beat up man base. 10 kill. Yeah. So yeah, gone. 10 kill. Send me a. Send me a worse thing. What? Bro, kill that man, kill that man, kill that man. So yeah, guys. Which one is thing you gonna talk about, clutch? Yeah, talk about. Bro, no revival, no. Yo, bien, Java. Yeah, nice. Swallows. So whatever you do, it can't break the wall. You must say it can't break the wall. Yeah,
Killing
get the
spree.
kill. Heal up. Watch it. Swallows. You know, I'll tap in the thing where you buy and hit on the button and you know, what's it around. show them how to put it on. What you talk about? I'm not gonna send you it.
Killing spree.
Swallows. Swallows, man. This man is crack. This man is crack, like. He all me go send me cut. Ah, Nick, where Nick there? Running here to the running. Running different kind of. Where Nick there, Nick. Nick in our match. Nick up on the street while you come. I'm joining the team code here. Stop don't know you the thing where show your TikTok and right button and like button and don't know how yeah, I go send you. Bro, the Saturday. Shit, man. It's like an overlay. It's like it be like overlay. Yeah, next month. It's like an overlay. So when you go on Photoshop, from PC, it'll show you the overlay. It'll show you the sort of them. I could make it smaller, but you can't buy me if you use one and zoom in. But anyways, they might show some size so and we have to pick the overlay. The overlay for fit it, I will pay for it. I will pay for the overlay for fit it. And so I have to pay for the TikTok icon for sure. And the sort of the YouTube icon. After them they have to pay for. I'm saying yes, the my name I go show. That makes sense, me say. The my name I go show. Which overlay? My overlay and my name I go show, me say the mine. What people fix it now, God. You know? So the TikTok letter look giant up and they don't want to look at the YouTube one. Okay, good man. It's good. Nobody not join the team code. I'm out here. I want Star Wars. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show some buy one for me now. I forgot to do that, when I'm done the stream. 1,000 points. Bro, I'm gonna tell her, Clutch. I'm gonna stream pan, stream key. It better than it, actually better. But they say, but like if we're going in a living room now, so Wi-Fi can't identify. It the stream I got lower every minute. That back. The stream I got lowered. And sometimes it kick. And it kick off all like Monday. So that I'm gonna stream pan stream key. Every time I can, man. You see that be loading it going with. You know, that was my end yesterday, you know. I'm ashamed, man. Bro, I forgot to make my camera come for you. I'm going to make mine smaller, you know. I'm probably make one new one for me. I need a small. One is very, 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 very small. Very, very, very small. Yeah. No, Void, but don't want to take that my match down. I don't want you're gonna make my pints drop Void. My pints drop Void. I see. I don't want to kick. And that's right, my pints drop, you see. I play what with it, I know, there's not my pints.
Battle Royale. Battle.
Baby. I'm going to talk about Fortnite. I like me see man, I land over here, dog. That's a lot. Hear that there, that one. The boy can't go in here when I was here in my own side. When they own I was here, I'm gonna shoot them. You know which part of the spot they have fire? Go there.
Resources here. One is base. Resources here.
Double kill.
Help me! Help me!
Watch out, boys. Stand up on the man. Stand up right at the man. Yes.
Help me!
Beat your ass.
Triple kill.
The man, back my TikTok account, you can't take. Because I take back here a Fortnite account, sure.
Resources here.
But I don't have that TikTok account, yeah, you know, I get one shit. I give me for take, you never give me boy you want a Fortnite account. So I'm going to take my Fortnite account. Never give me Fortnite account for take. We give for borrow because you're bad. But I want my things out there, all my things. Yeah. Yeah, shut fire. Yo, all dead. The alpha V, but man does no avoid.
Help me!
The alpha V void. The alpha. You give me your account for tech. You never give an account for tech, nigga. If you don't play free fire, I'm gonna take my Fortnite account, so I'm gonna take it back. Nigga, so like, what the hell? Take my account there, free back. Yeah, get to it. You say you don't buy a Fortnite account, buy a Fortnite account. And stop depending on my Fortnite account.
Help me!
Stop.
Help me! Help me!
Man, outside. Tell more funny.
Quadra kill.
Prime loot them, loot them up there.
Help me!
My boy back him friend. Come you don't want to kill like you there. Boy, go buy a fucking TV. Now zone boy revival. Now zone.
Dominating.
Skill on cooldown. Resources here. I want it, thanks. Help me! Skill on cooldown.
Right. So when I chop, I'm looking like a headshot the boy give me. Yeah. So when I chop on a headshot the boy give me. So I'm dead fast. Whenever I did that I make it, I don't know how me that make it out as good. I don't know how me that make it, I swear. I don't know how me that make it. I don't know. You not hear me? Nick, come back, come online, Nick. Come online, with me. Come online. What do you know? Yeah, yeah. Any day. No, what ice cream. Ice cream grow all this thing. Shit, everybody don't have kill me. I don't know what name. Give me a big girl. Let me do it very cool, Come now, Nick, dog. Come now, when it there. Another man fall, dog. Another man fall. Another man fall. Come on, now, when it there. I want to know where is Nick now. Nick, hello Nick, hello, who's Nick? Hello Nick, hello, hello Nick, hello. Another man for another guys. Somebody in the I don't know who that's coming. That's just nobody there. I'm not add nobody there. Invite. How this again? No, this is my name. I'm probably actually who them delay. Avoid, but the man know I'm playing on void. Well, but they even remember who them. Void, but the man know I'm playing on. Void, but the man know I'm playing. Avoid them battle set. Man just battle it's weird. Vai, fura bati. Vai, mato. Vai, mano, me a follow call and me a call you to say, yo, come on the game, Nick, all know it. How you did there? I only am about like, oh, crazy. Crazy, me even take away your money now, cause I'm gonna see if I stream for about 5 stream or 6 stream or 7 stream.
Battle Royale. That is time.
So your man have to go get shot. Moderator supposed to be out there, man. Chop everybody, madam. And then archive on the live. Moderator must be here. See how them reach. Them reach for 1K. School. You come from school. When I stream school time. But when I stream school over, you know, I think 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Can't tell me you was school. I even me a stream like most of the time. When school I keep me not safe on live. I see me for 1 and 2 times. I see the first part and then I see it down in the evening part. That's it. The mother will start to get shot, man. If I don't see her for some of the things, let's say I give one last chance. Those who never want it. Those who never want it. Make sure one nation before you chat, man. Push the money. What on top, boy? On the evil day. I'll be a man face on the arm. Go on this one. My life chemo combo, my girl. Can't see me never want crazy. But like crazy. Why that name say but like that name come on, man. Come on, man. bring no scar, dog. I would love to bring a scar, but I won't. I won't. Dog, I'm just dead. I won't bring a scar. Baby, I've been dancing in the stars. First me see this. I must see the whole of my face, dog. Wow, watch out, watch out, watch out. Alright, see me that always blind, dog. And I listen. Come there, come. Bomb up people things on a different level there. Dog, you see, yo, what is dog? Kill the man. You cannot kill. The Kima looks so colorful. How are you going?
Triple kill.
Bro, so me attack, yo, what is dog? First we see this, man. First we see this, man. No, dog, first we see this. First we see this, man. Something very wrong. When they even up and kill the man, they're supposed to be dead.
Still on cooldown.
I'm supposed to be dead, man. Minute him comes there, I go and kill him, but minute in that dead and teenage them almost murder him. Teenage them are murder, they do crack for this. You know me did that, but then I want to go right now. Be dead, me a dead. Be dead, me dead. I know I want to go and then that be me a dead like that. Yo, more on the ear, more on the blue ear like chemo blue one. And the blue version. On the blue version for the one that chemo I do it up for the fun. No, sir. Doing it for the years. Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell me, say, I'm gonna get monetized and now I'm gonna get some, now come donate and be a member. Now come be a member. And only tell myself now be a member because I come, but especially Nick, you have to come be a member. Dog, kill him, man. Hey, yo, watch your man here. Chucha. I don't play with Void, dog. Me not play no more match with Void. No more match. So you can get a pinning for 5 subs. Actually, 10 subs a pinning, but sure, bro. Send him subs. Send him subs, them. Make sure man them come for live and say you spam God send them down. Man, bought this that shit. Oh the man. Void, I can't play the Void. No, he's Void ass niece, it's not my fault there's a Void. It's the fact say like war somebody and did say basically I kinda my fault still because war somebody and my sister one other man did actually did it. Still go hard man. So kinda my fault still. Make me did but Void Oh, sorry. What you know some salt for you? Go do some here, I don't know. Dog. £10. I don't say, I want to get school. Oh, come second, I'm gonna get £10. A joke. A joke thing. A most joke thing. Okay, I come second and I get £10. A person city. £10, yeah, I get the second, you know. Why did I kick your mind, dog? You know, make one. You make one. I need me. Broken, you still up there? Oh, one last time. Our key, my God. Ah, Zeke there. Vitamin one, vitamin one. £10 I get sick of boy, dog. 10. Up again. The man is in you know this. What's you
Battle Royale.
Right, it did for no reason now, but I'm gonna kick you. Okay, I'll play when I'm gonna care what we're on, but for now, £10 me I get for it, sake of you. 10 points me I get. Like a £10 for good. I mean, we want to see my £10 for good. Oh man, I'm not careful. I need a near in. I'm gonna need to sit down and play quick. I want to go around this one. I want to go on. I want to end this one this time again. At £10 me get. One day one battle Ryan. Ryan, are you saying I'm free fire nigga? One day one still. Wait there. Where am I? Nick, wait. You should pick and choose, you know. Sorry, the like that rival. I never know say him dead still. I think I Void still a play with him. That's something country that's me just realize say no. Two of the man them good.
Triple kill.
Yo, no sir. Yo, my crack. My crack. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, so crack. From Godsend and Peter Tata. Dia download it Boy. Nada cara revive from Godsend. Sorry for if I take out arm gliding
Resources here. Thanks.
Resources here.
Thanks.
Let's go in there and fight. Let's go in there and fight, man. Nazi Whitey, Spam Godson, we have skill issues, we have skill issues. Yeah, so bad. Yeah, guys, doing that, you know. Why am I so? Why am I not talk? Yeah. For man, I load everything up, so man, I load everything up, so two of them, two of them, more than two. Bomb in here, dead. I'm dead. Why am I waste my thing, dog? Why am I waste my thing, dog? Yeah, wait till the bomb swing them going there. I'm a ping, I got eye, dog. Spam God send that our for. Yo, them a come Zeke. Okay, Zeke, dude. Zeke, revive, Zeke. Zeke, no go chill. Yo. Yeah, got to. Orion still left 1v1. Nice. This thing do not give a shit. It give a shit about like honestly, how is it there? I'm fixing guys, it's broken. Like it give a shit like and take it, make it dead. But them fix it when second them fix it myself. I don't know how much data is that, but them fix it. So you just get 3 seconds of shield and then you're dead. Yeah, them fix it, get the second so make it dead. Nice.
Triple kill.
Nice, 1,000 kind. Loot the other box, loot the other box. Loot the other box. Man, what am I look box? Revive me special me. Oh, nice. My revive me special. So yeah. No, it's not useless. Once you get a headshot good, then you get 3 seconds.
Enemy spotted.
You practice headshot. Bro, I see my gun, me I jack the gun on the gun. I'm gonna do my fire button. I see it, I'm just close. Look here, man. Zeke, you're getting some kills. Run, Zeke. Run, Zeke. Yeah. Right, what kind of fish that is? That is the run, Zeke, run. Nice. Back shot to this. Oh, no man, this skill, nice. I've said it. See, that's the that's the let us them reach, bro.
Triple kill.
Double kill. Nick, what you doing, Nick? On them something Nick, something bro, man. Go put you on Nick, I was saying. Swallow, Nick, swallow, Nick, swallows. Swallows, Nick. I got this. Man, I think it's I think that told me, but it look like that too. Yeah, man, yeah, I don't need to. I think it crack. 20 cheap deal with the vibes I get dog, no sir. I give it cheaper, so yeah, look with the vibes the boy did want to go cheese star. That's what the boy say. Broken say I'm gonna play something fit with my name. That's why Broken did say I'm gonna play more. Because him they want a little bit for go. Bro, you're gonna lose it's from there. That's why the boy did want a little bit for go. When I have my OG settings. But GG still. The boy Broken did want get looking more pints. Forgot 3 star, that's what the boy said. One more man. 3 star. Honestly, later I said easy. Yo, wait, I 1v1 at school tomorrow. No, me I 1v1 here. No. No more 1v1 here. Oh, 1v1 at school. Come down, my team code. No more 1v1 here. Billy boy. No. Why me I text you my ID, come join the team code. You know for join team code, 4 more subs to the team. Yo, why am I join the team code? Why am I join the team? Explain that. Yeah. Why am I send them ID though? Just join the team code. I don't know if a giant team code. Oh yeah. install all the game with. I'm this. I'm this. Make it mad. What's the matter code? What the matter code when I call crack? When I call crack. I call crack nothing. When I call crack. If them stop playing Free Fire for more, last year, I didn't remember what him say. Them the Eric. Yeah, then laugh alone. Laugh alone, guys. Don't know. Running butter code. I'll be right I think I am the YouTube all I tell I chat to him more time again. The boy try the boy no good pan no game like enough for play a game, the man a good fan. Blackfoot, like Blackfoot is not a game for play. Blackfoot that is animated. So Blackfoot all I miss him. But the Billy dog, the boy can't do a good job. Why me I mix up, man?
First blood.
Man just a working CM what I come over and see one. Literally bad, they're so bad. Literally so bad. Oh yeah, I'm gonna test that. So why you gonna test that, man? What is going on? I messed up that one. Me I mess up, guys. Cha. No dah, kau cakap aku masuk film telefon. Me I mess up so bad, I don't understand it.
First blood.
That's cool, bro. Just starting, they're gonna be so wide. Yeah, mix up, guys.
First
Yeah,
blood.
mess up so bad that I could bat ya. Password, Liam play next. I'm gonna play next. What's the password? Password on to Done the hard work so fast. More back to the so yeah, clear.
First blood.
One other, yeah, play around and new shit. One so bad. So bad. Now finally skill savior again. What y'all talk about me and stop playing now? Which savior, which skill y'all talk about savior? What y'all talk about? Yeah, awesome. We're going to want to man at 2 years old. If you want to bully you, you can't bully me.
See, got a book and make sure this is better. Dead. Stop me.
Let's see how it's at, man.
Brother, take out the steel, brother.
2v2. Nah. Alright, me go play, man. Me and Mari, I go bully you. Yeah. Hello, man, Fred. Me go play my rank quick. What's up there? Come here, broken. Come broken. I can say I'm done in the yard work. Okay, then I done the yard work. And now they can't bully me, nigga. What are you talking about? 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 Peak killers. And the fuck? Who don't have big guys at it? What are you talking about? 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 Shemmy still stream? What's this Shemmy? No, I'm gonna hear about Shemmy dog. Shemmy still stream? Shemmy do a video about my girlfriend and get 0 views. How are this? I want me to show me a lot or 80 views it says. So I ain't then it says something sorry. Show me a lot log. Innit?
fuck though.
Give me a love there, yeah, there. Man, I've been to camp beer again. Give me a love. Give me a love to the first. It could never reach me. A long time I didn't get so much mercy, yeah. Man, me a love job, man, me love sin. Man, me love sin, Chica, and chica. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Over the end scene, like I feel bored. I feel bored. But now I want to do my dog, yeah. Yeah, but yeah. What are you talking about? 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 You go and me and my, I'm about having beers. What's that again, man? TikTok, man. Fan TikTok. I want to be one, but me, you could never hear me. Very sorry. Mari. Psycho Bunny and the Air Force. Aspiration and bear. Take a study book. I make like a old crook. Next, some professional Air Force. My cow here, I'm a cool Touch your shit. So 60 more Canada. One day we don't need to sit as
First blood.
so bad. So bad. It's so bad. Got the foot is so bad, man. It's so bad. I can't. The boy got fix the guy I set it at. Thinking set it at the reach out. What outside church. Man, I idea na more. I first me see this. And then I go to emote. I forgot to post it. I'm going to TikTok this ago. I'm not going to that room. I'm going to TikTok this ago. Mess up, you see what I have to mess up. And the man slow, he man try to think him even fast. Man slow. I mess up, man. Every time I mess up, somebody think, you know. If I don't mess up, dog, I can't. You want to try and tell me I want to get like, oh, mess up. every time I get worse. Or him just not get better. Mario look like every time him get worse. I'm just not get better. So the man shoot me in my box up. Yeah, I delete him out of my list for that though. But definitely I delete him out of my list for that. Yeah, try to come out and this man shoot me. Man can't take losing with him, look about self, you know. Man, I understand. I'm like 1G on him, but
First blood.
yeah, keep that youth out of my list. Definitely I kick him out of my list. Man, ass bad man. Somebody can answer. Why not somebody can answer? I'm a giant in group here. And she might in there in the she. There's some Fortnite I know. Come like I walk every minute the man get worse and worse and now get better. Him slow at him ass. And him think him good. Man come like if that get better like, you know. Can't have them then on my list like. Them ass. No, what the fuck name Lord the man stop play a game. See him ID this, you know. They got end stream I know dog. I'm on this right. I'm on this